Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comparison between LANDR and RouteNote, two very different music distribution platforms that serve independent artists, but with completely different approaches. LANDR started out as an AI mastering tool, and over the years it has evolved into an all-in-one creative hub. Beyond distribution, LANDR gives you automated mastering, a library of plugins, sample packs, and even promotional features. Its goal is to make sure your tracks don't just get released, but also sound polished and professional right out of the box. For artists who want a distribution platform that doubles as part of their creative process, LANDR provides that extra edge. RouteNote, on the other hand, has built its reputation on accessibility. It's one of the few distributors that offers a completely free plan. With RouteNote Free, you can release your music to all major platforms without paying up front, but you'll share a percentage of royalties with them. If you want to keep 100% of your royalties, you can upgrade to RouteNote Premium, which works on a per-release payment model. This makes it especially appealing to new artists who don't want to commit to subscriptions or high upfront costs. When it comes to workflow, LANDR feels more like a studio environment where you can master, polish, and release tracks seamlessly in one ecosystem. It's about quality control and creative tools bundled with distribution. RouteNote, by contrast, is built around flexibility and reach. You don't get mastering or plugin bundles, but you do get a straightforward way to distribute music worldwide, and the choice between a free entry-level model or a pay-to-keep-all model. Now let's break down pricing. LANDR follows a subscription model, Essentials at $13 per month, Standard at $20, and Pro at $25, each adding more mastering options, higher quality WAV exports, plugin credits, and sample packs along with unlimited distribution. RouteNote, on the other hand, gives you two choices. The free plan costs nothing up front, but RouteNote keeps 15% of your royalties. With the premium plan, you pay per release, about $10 for a single and $45 for an album, and you keep 100% of your royalties. So, which one is better? If you want your distributor to also be part of your creative toolkit, helping you master and refine your sound before it hits streaming platforms, LANDR is a clear winner. But if your main focus is getting music out quickly and cheaply, with the option to start free and only pay when you're ready to scale, RouteNote might be the smarter choice. At the end of the day, both LANDR and RouteNote serve independent artists, but in different ways. LANDR invests in your creative process, while RouteNote invests in accessibility and flexibility. Your decision really comes down to whether you value built-in creative tools or the freedom of a free-to-pay distribution model. So what do you think? Are you Team LANDR or Team RouteNote? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this comparison helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the tools that shape independent music. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.